Bala's Journal Summer Special Series.
Mommy, chocolate milkshake.
Hi friends!
What's your name?
My name is Bala! Today, what are we going to make today, Actu?
Milkshake.
We are going to make a chocolate ice cream milkshake. This is an all-time kid's favorite milkshake, plus it has a chocolate flavor. Now, let's move on to the ingredients. First, we need 1 full glass of milk. It's about 250 ml. And then we need like 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then 2 scoops of ice cream. And for decoration, I'm using chocolate syrup. Now, let's check out how to make the chocolate ice cream milkshake.
What's your name?
So the first step is to take your blender and then take your full glass of milk and add it. Then take your ice cream and add 1 scoop. Add 2 scoops of ice cream. And then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Wait. Yeah. Now let's blend it. Now let's decorate our glass. Take 1 full spoon of chocolate syrup and decorate your glass. Now let's pour our chocolate ice cream milkshake in the jug. Want more chocolate flavor, you guys can add extra ice cream, and I want an extra chocolatey flavor, so I'm adding 1 more scoop of ice cream on top. Now for decoration, take your and just sprinkle some on top. This milkshake looks so delicious. Delicious! This milkshake looks so yummy. You guys can make this all by yourself, and if you guys think this milkshake looks so delicious, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you!